I think for us, a lot of it is the investments we're making in the facility. Not only are we looking to increase capacity, we have a new hatcher hall going in shortly, but that also allows us to look at a renovation and replacement of our existing hatchers and setters. In addition to that, we're looking at waste harvesting, taking away some of the unfertile eggs earlier in the process, and that, in addition to actually helping us improve quality, allows us to take cold spots out of the process, and what it does allow us to do is also reduce our waste, so that is a big one for us. We're moving forward with a solar project. We'll be having a 250 kilowatt system put in. That will provide around 15% of the Millennium's requirements, which helps and works together with the heat recovery system already in place, and that provides about 30 to 35% energy reduction as well. Yeah, I think reinvestment's one of the really strong parts of the group. We'll be looking at just shy of £1 million investment within the next 10 months. Well, it's a quality chick at the end of the day, isn't it? We want to be there for our customers. We want to provide the right product for our customers, and we stand by the product, and we have different products for different needs and environments. So, moving forward, I'm really excited and confident that things are moving forward for us.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, in the short term, what it will do is we'll be having 4 new hatchers and extending our 3rd hatcher hall. So we get extra hatcher space, but we're not actually putting any additional setters in to start with. The extra hatcher space going forward will allow us to take out a bank of hatchers from the existing 16. And so over the next 2 to 4 years, we plan to replace all of the older hatchers, the hatchers that were there from when the Millennium was started back in 2000, with brand new state-of-the-art hatchers. So depending on investment coming through, once we've done that modification to the older hatchers, we then have spare hatcher capacity, which will then allow us to further expand the hatchery and put in an additional 12 setters. And those 12 setters represent around 105,000 female chicks a week in terms of overall capacity. We're investing in an automated candling and transfer machine from a company called $The, and that equipment will candle all the commercial eggs coming through the hatchery. At the moment, any candling done in the hatchery is done by hand, and there's normally teams of 2 operating candling tables, but it's very labour and time consuming, and we can't get through all of the eggs in the system. The net result of candling improves quality because it takes the clear eggs out and it enables you to save the heat that the embryos are producing during the incubation process, and that brings the hatch together and gives better quality. And it also, we're estimating we should be able to save between 5 and 10 tonnes of waste going into the category 2 animal byproduct waste stream. That's a very expensive waste stream, and by candling, like I said, we should be reducing our 25 tonnes a week down by 8 to 10 tonnes, which will make a significant saving.